Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Fine. Just the raining stops.
Yes.
The rain has been on and off.
Yes.
We are in the tropical weather in the Caribbean.
Yes, I love it.
So it's like that.
Yeah, it's been great.
It was raining like 10 minutes ago. You can see that everything is a little bit hot and humid, but now sun again.
Yes, it's perfect.
We are in Aldea Serena.
Okay.
Aldea Serena is this beautiful complex that is near to all this residential area that we have been before.
Right.
Next to Centro Maya.
Yes.
In Playa del Carmen.
Yes, it's perfect. Yes, I've actually been to this area because my son's school is just down the street. So
Really?
it's a great area, yeah.
So that's the Equilibrio school?
Yes, see.
And what is the experience there?
It's been amazing. Like,
Okay.
yeah, he's learning new language, all of the things, so.
We are just 5 minutes by car or?
If that, I'd
Yeah.
say, yeah, it's right down the street. We could walk there.
And we are here at these beautiful locations that are the amenities.
Okay.
A gated community for
Yes.
just 60 homes.
Okay,
We have a beautiful home right there
yes.
that is for 4 rooms,
Okay,
family room,
yeah.
garden,
Oh my goodness.
rooftop.
Yeah.
The amenities is amazing.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
As you can see now, we are here.
Yes, so we got this nice big pool here. And one thing I noticed right away, which I really love, is they have the little kiddie pool here.
Right there.
That's completely like sectioned off, which I love to see. As someone who has a 2-year-old, like this is perfecto.
Yes. And also here,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay.
They have this common area
Yeah.
where you can come here to use it to watch the fights, the games,
This is gorgeous.
throw a party.
Yeah.
It's
beautiful.
Part of the amenities if you live here in this beautiful place.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, this is so spacious.
Yeah, I love the design. You can
Great.
see very, just now is the natural lighting. There is
Yeah.
not any light on. And you can see from the floor to the ceiling all these windows or sliding doors. So you can open all that and also have connected with the pool area.
Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. And then we have washrooms back here, I'm guessing?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, this is great. If you have family in town, bring them here.
We have the golf Wi-Fi here, the casa, the clubhouse here. Just can
You could even come work, I'm guessing, like a co-working space, hey?
Exactly.
Yeah.
look over here. This is amazing. This is a kitchen where you can ask for your chef to come here to cook.
Oh my gosh.
So
This is awesome. You've got a fridge, everything, a full stove. I've actually never seen this at any of the places we've been to yet. That's
Yeah,
really
that's
cool.
great.
Okay.
Let's go to the second floor.
Right. This is second floor. Alright. Always new surprises.
Yes, here in
Okay.
Playa we have a lot of different layouts and different investment options for the investors. If they
yeah.
want to long-term rentals, if they want to come here for a season, if they are looking, for example, for vacational rentals,
Yes.
even lands, lots, or building.
Yes,
to develop.
totally. Yes.
Developers as well are welcome.
Of course. Or if you're like me and you just want to relocate your whole family to paradise, then
Let's go to the second
Alright.
floor.
Okay, what do they have up here?
This is a grill area.
Oh, awesome. This is huge. A little barbecue area. Nice. Overlooking the pool. All the flowers up here. I love it. This is great.
One of the very good things that we have here
Yeah.
are that you pay a HOA
Yes.
that is very affordable.
Yeah.
I mean, the maintenance that you pay monthly here, that includes the security, the main gate,
Yep.
cameras, security, all the pools and all this.
Yes.
It's less than 1,000 Mexican pesos.
Oh, wow.
So
Yeah.
very cool.
That's really cool. So that's less than 200 Canadian
Yeah.
per month for it. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yes. Way cheaper than what we pay back in Canada for condo fees. So it's good
Yeah.
to see.
So this is part of the amenities.
Okay.
Now we want to go to the house 39.
Okay.
That is for sale.
Okay.
So
I'm
are you ready?
excited. I'm so ready. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so now we are here.
We are here and it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yes. The setup is, yeah, wow. So tell me about this. We got a big open kitchen here and a dishwasher.
A dishwasher, right?
Rare to
An
find.
oven, a microwave, all things full furnished itself like that. And you have this island, like it's like a nice idea. So you can be cooking here, and also you have here the stools.
Yes, it's a breakfast bar. Beautiful.
All these,
Oh my goodness. Yes.
all this beautiful backyard.
Which is so amazing when, oh, we gotta unlock it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is beautiful. If you have kids, you have a dog, anything like this, like, wow. And I love that they have just the turf in here. So it gives that like nice green, bright color. But yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
See, beautiful.
Oh, wow. So what's the square footage on this place?
This one is 3,220 roughly.
Wow.
Square foot.
Okay, yeah. So that's a great size. And 4 bedrooms, you said?
4 bedrooms, right?
Okay,
Yes, we're gonna go. The good thing about these homes is that they don't share walls, so you have totally privacy. As you can see, this is a service hall. where
Yes.
People that is going to, I don't know, maybe do the gardening, or they are
Okay.
like they don't interfere on the private area here.
Right, they can come in their own.
Yeah, also you can
back
set your
here.
own pool. That's why also they can come here to fix the pool. You have a good place so you can.
I was gonna say you
here.
have multiple options for a plunge pool here, hey? Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. What a nice addition.
Yeah. This is
Okay.
a very big table, so you have here for 10 people easily.
Yes.
You have here another 4, room for 4.
Yeah.
When you open all this, connects all the social area with the patio, so it's
Yeah.
amazing.
And the natural light. I love with the windows from floor to ceiling. It's gorgeous.
Yes, and there you have all the laundry room as well.
Oh, yes.
Here.
Oh, yeah, that's a great size too. It's very spacious. And you have both the washer and the dryer. And you said this includes all of the furnishings,
Yes.
all of the appliances. Yes?
Yeah.
Amazing.
You can see they take care about all the visual. In Spanish, we say remates visuales. That is like something that catches your attention.
Yeah.
Here they do the same because you have green and you can see the pool, the amenities here.
Yeah.
And it's like a natural lighting here.
Oh, wow.
We are getting up. This is the second floor. The lights on the stairs will check the details.
Oh, I love that.
It's really
Yes.
nice.
It's
Yeah, that's
gorgeous. Oh, and look at how spacious this is here. So we have a little TV room here.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Or with the little ones, you could have a little play area.
Yeah, you can unfold that and then you have a big sofa couch right here.
It's beautiful. And then one of the bedrooms here. Oh, it's great size. So
Actually, I think this is
spacious.
the master bedroom. You have your walk-in closet right there.
Okay.
Balcony.
Okay, wow. Okay, what first? All right. Oh yeah, this is huge. This is very spacious.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so gorgeous.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah, the
You can
wood
see
touch
this
is
is
so
a lamp.
nice.
It's a wood from the region. It's very resistible.
Okay. Okay, and then we have the rain shower here, which is beautiful. Look at how big that is. And then the window for your natural light. You got a little seat in there.
It's this bench.
So much room.
This is Marla. It's really nice.
Oh, that's beautiful. The waterfall head too. It's gorgeous. Yeah. His and her sinks, which I always love to see. Yeah, so nice. Oh, that's great. Okay, and now let's see what's behind here.
This one.
Teamwork. Okay. Okay, and then you've got that nice little seating area right here. Perfect. With the nice
Go for the
plants. Yeah, beautiful. With a view of the pool. Just so nice. Oh, that's great. Okay, and then I saw that we have another 2 rooms over here, right?
Let's go. That's the master bedroom.
Okay.
Other 2 rooms.
Okay. Yeah, this is a great size. And then what do we have over here? So then we have another little walk-in closet, which is great for a guest room, the kids, and then another ensuite.
Take all the rooms here, so you can have their own shower.
Their own shower.
That's great.
Okay, that is great. What's next? Okay, so let's go to the 3rd bedroom now. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Such a great size. And then once again, we have another walk-in closet, another ensuite bathroom. So spacious. So such a good family home or investment property, because you could have a large group rent this out, right? Everyone has their own space.
Yes, it's a lot
Beautiful.
A lot of privacy.
Yeah.
And it's coming my favorite part of the home.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. You will see.
All right.
Let's go.
Ooh, I love this window instantly.
Yes,
like,
you can see how beautiful everything is green.
Yes, the natural light it brings in. It's just stunning. Oh, and look
a little
at this.
corner to work here, right?
Yeah, this is the perfect little setup for a little office. How great. You're speaking to my heart here. What is this? I was not expecting this. How cool.
I told you, this is my favorite part.
Wow. So they have it set up. I love this as a little home gym, plus a little movie room, a little theater room. This is so great. You could do so much with this. This could be another bedroom on its own.
And it comes with their own walk-in closet again, and a lot of storage, a lot of room. With a full bath here.
Okay. So this technically could even almost be another master bedroom,
That's right.
right?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
Yeah.
we have the rooftop there with the grill area. So
Oh, okay.
here, yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. Right. One thing I noticed right away when we came in is this extra little storage space that you have here, which is so good if you have little ones. Like, oh my gosh. So they could literally set up their own little fort under here, or if you just wanted that storage space, plus for guests to hang everything here. And then we also have a bathroom down here too, which is right over here. So for guests when they come in, nice and spacious and all you need. I love it. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful. And literally there's so much space. Like instantly I was like, you could have the solar panels over here if you wanted, but I see that there's space right on the roof for them.
Yeah, you have the roof, and even you can put it to the top of the pergola as well.
Yeah.
You have so many options here.
And then it just gives you so much more space.
Yeah. The value
Wow.
of this one in American is like a 460.
460 for this whole place. Wow, that's amazing. That's stunning. Yes. Let's come over here quick. And then you have, I love the placement of the house too.
Yeah,
It's right by the gate.
Very, very private community. Just a step from the mall,
Yes.
the highway, to the school.
To the school, everything. Yeah. What? We're about 8 minutes from the beach, you'd say? 10 minutes?
8 minutes.
Yeah, amazing.
This is the tap for our people watching right there.
I love it. I love it. Like I said, if you're a family, if you want real estate investment, this is definitely one of the places for you. So thank you for showing me.